Looking to book a yacht in Croatia for your next vacation? This guide will take you through every step, making yacht rental simple, even if you're new to the process. From selecting a boat to understanding pricing and essential services, you'll be ready to sail the Croatian coast confidently. Let's dive in. Getting started, begin by entering the yacht booking website. Once you're there, you'll find options for destinations, dates, and types of yachts. Select Croatia as your destination and enter your preferred sailing dates, choosing the right yacht. The site provides various yachts based on size, type, and amenities. You can filter by categories such as sailing yachts, motor yachts, and catamarans. This step is crucial to match your yacht selection with the number of guests and preferred amenities, so make sure to choose wisely. Understanding costs and extras. For each yacht, you'll see the base cost along with additional fees. These fees could include skipper services, cleaning fees, or additional equipment. This section gives you a transparent view of what your total cost might look like. Detailed yacht info. Each yacht listing includes photos, specifications, and details about onboard amenities. For instance, you might see details on sleeping arrangements, kitchen facilities, or even Wi-Fi availability. Look closely at these to avoid surprises later. Booking process. After selecting your yacht, you'll move to the booking page. Here, you can review your choices and add extras like a skipper if needed. The booking process is straightforward, with each step guiding you until final confirmation. Customer support. One great advantage is the availability of customer support. This is especially helpful if it's your first time renting a yacht. Feel free to reach out for questions on anything from weather conditions to local sailing regulations. Pros and cons of the service. The booking site's main advantages include a vast selection of yachts, detailed information, and transparent pricing. However, some users have noted that while the booking is simple, some yachts may have limited availability during peak seasons. Be sure to plan and book in advance to secure your preferred choice. Final review of the experience. This booking process is accessible for beginners, and the clear structure of the site makes it easy to understand all aspects of yacht rental. With plenty of filter options and a robust support system, renting a yacht for a Croatian adventure has never been easier. If you're ready to experience the Croatian coast from a yacht, follow the link in the description to get started. Book your dream yacht today and enjoy a seamless booking experience. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more travel and booking tips.